Yummy.
Mmm.
Yummy. So delicious. Is it ice cream?
Mm-hmm.
Can you say ice cream?
Annie.
No, say it again without your hand in your. What are you eating?
Annie.
Ice cream.
Is
Enjoy.
this so good?
Mama.
Yes.
What Annie?
You want me to eat ice cream?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I'm going to eat some ice cream too. Are you so happy eating ice cream? Yum. Yummy.
Mama.
Now mommy's going to eat ice cream too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, should I eat some ice cream too? Yeah, yummy. Okay, finish your ice cream. Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi.
How are you?
Doing.
Oh, that's nice. Are you having ice cream?
Uh-huh.
What is that?
Mommy.
Is it yummy?
Mama.
Is it
Mommy.
You want to try my ice cream?
No.
Is it
You want me to
yummy?
have this ice cream?
Mm-hmm.
This mommy's?
Mommy.
Okay, and that's Allie's?
Uh-huh.
What's Mommy's other name?
Sasa.
Okay, bye-bye. How old are you? Can we see how many fingers? How old are you?
1.
1?
Mm-hmm.
That's basically correct. Almost 2.
Uh-huh.
Okay. What's your doggy's name?
Fiji.
Yes, that's right. Okay, bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you wave bye-bye?
Bye.
You blow a kiss?
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, that's Allie Fox on July 3rd, 2017. Yes, Mama. What are you eating?
Annie.
Yes, okay. Allie Fox, almost 2.